up, guys? It's your boy King Jeff with his first video, and today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me in the morning / beach day with the boys. And you know, my first video ever, and we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Just keep watching. I'm back, guys. So as you guys can see, I have an easy morning routine. Yeah, so I'll pick up the camera once we're in the car going to the beach.
No.
We made it, bro. It's so packed. So some fields were closed, and so we had to go literally deep back and forth. We're here.
Suck it.
Say.
Back to you.
Oh my god, my hair. Anyways, I'm back home, guys. I had a really fun day at attempting to do my first ever YouTube video. I hope you guys like this. I just want to tell you guys that I've been wanting to do this for so long, and I finally had the chance to do it. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, do all of that. And thank you guys very much for watching.